Our final long-listed transformation project might have the answer. Natasha's on the picturesque shores of the Kyles of Bute on the west coast of Scotland, where Shona's family has happy memories of a tiny flat on the top floor of a Victorian cottage. 6 years ago, Shona inherited the flat, and soon after, the one below it came up for sale. And transform it they have into the Den. A futuristic zinc cube wrapped around a breathtaking double-height space designed for 21st century living. But the memories of its past live on in its carefully conserved and exposed Victorian fabric. What was once 2 cramped flats is now a single spacious home. A basement now houses the bedroom and bathroom. Above that, the ground floor and first floor had been knocked through vertically, forming a vaulted open-plan cooking, dining and living space, topped by a mezzanine. Outside, the old cottage is unrecognizable. But through the slick, zinc-clad doorway, past and present collide.
Oh, wow.
In the kitchen diner, all the interior walls and floors have been ripped out to reveal beautiful old sandstone, patched with contrasting contemporary brickwork. Original window openings are now topped with new concrete lintels and filled with sleek aluminium frames. And Victorian nooks and crannies have been given 21st century function.
That must be an old press, isn't it?
Yes.
A cupboard within a wall. So it's lovely just to see that being used again as storage.
Yeah, we've tried to use the features that are here and make use of them in a new way.
But this is more than just canny with purposey. All these carefully conserved old bits preserves a memory of the building's past life.
What's this fireplace in the middle of the wall?
That's where the original fireplace would have been upstairs.
Okay. You took the floor out of here to create this void.
The judges admired how the 2 frets have been boldly reconfigured to create this dramatic, lofty space. The key that unlocked this transformation is a clever piece of multi-tasking joinery that forms the staircase and holds all the services for the house.
Birch ply.
Yeah.
And it's lovely because it's really warm and it differs so much from the raw stonework.
The beautifully crafted staircase reaches down into the basement, now home to a simple but glamorous bedroom suite, and all the way up to the top of the house, where it turns into storage. Up in the mezzanine studio, the den becomes a light-drenched look-out post.
So this is such a big window. I take it's not an original opening.
Of course, the better the view, the steeper the hill, which made access tricky during construction. But the biggest problem Shona and her architects faced was saving the 150-year-old stonework, which turned out to be damp and crumbling. Wrapped in their warm, full metal jacket, the stone walls could dry out from the inside and be left exposed so that the family memories they contain can continue to be cherished.
That's beautiful.
I love this house. It's like a black box of tricks. It's about remembering the past, but embracing the future.